really start the conversation going, right? To start broadly, where do you think AI generally adds value to healthcare today?
Yeah, I think for healthcare, broadly, in within healthcare itself, it's very decision intensive. Whether it's the doctor, whether it's a nurse, and in our case, I think the rehab specialists who are here, even for the social workers, and those even in admin, we really have to make a lot of decisions on a daily basis. So I think AI really does help reduce some of the cognitive load that supports both safer as well as more consistent decisions. So I think the value, especially for us, and as we move into greater community care, really is in preventive and rehab care that can be delivered in a safe way, while making sure that the original workflows can be complemented by AI. So I suppose AI could be seen as the quiet infrastructure that helps us to do our work better and more consistently. So yeah, I mean, for us, we view AI in the entire healthcare, landscape, basically as an enabler of continuity, especially as patients go from the hospital to the home. So it's not just a tool in the acute settings, but also for us working closer in and within the community.